Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. This morning I wanted to show you the final product for those who may not have seen the video earlier of how I'm using this jig for coasters. So as you guys can see, they interlock kind of like, yeah, children's toys, big boy toys. So you can set this up however you want to. Now this is going to work not only for the LaserPecker 4, but if you have a larger laser like I do here with the Akira lasers, you'll be able to set up something similar for that as well. Now, another item that I did find recently as well that I think will be beneficial to a lot of you guys is this little jig right here for business cards. Okay, so basically it's literally the same type of design. You guys see the cards just fit right inside like so. And yes, you could set up multiples of these on your slide extension. So let me show you guys what I mean by that. So you could easily have multiples of these right next to each other, and then you could set up your business cards for engraving. And as long as this is in multi-file mode, you'll be able to use that and also prevent your laser from engraving onto your bed if that's a problem. Now you guys see when I do photos, I engrave them from end to end, and if you're doing that, that probably will be okay. And even if this little jigs were scarred up a little bit, I don't think that's going to be a big deal. But as you guys can see, you could probably fit up to 8 of, well, let's say 4 of these right in front of each other in a line, and you'd be able to engrave on all of your business cards, one after the other. So I just want to do a quick video to show you guys something else that I found. I will put the link to this file also in the description so you guys can download it and you'll be able to utilize it, 3D print it, and hopefully this video has been helpful to somebody who is having somewhat of a struggle, getting everything lined up properly. Now, something else, before I let you guys go, one more thing that I did find also is this alignment tool. Let me show you guys this. Now, I printed this. I didn't find this. I found this actually in our group, and I printed it. If I can get it free back here. See how snug it is? But I did print this out. Someone posted this link in the group and I printed it out. I 3D printed it, and it's been very helpful for aligning the slide extension with the base of the LaserPecker 4. So this is another item I do recommend. If you have not 3D printed, go ahead and 3D print this as well. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. If you are not already following me on Facebook and Amazon, please do so, guys. I go live 5 days a week, and any way I can help, you like some demos or something like that, feel free to stop by. Just hang out with the community members. It's a very lively community. They're always having fun, telling jokes. My streams get a little crazy at times. So if you're into that kind of stuff, definitely stop by. 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.